On the number 5, Fiverr. Fiverr is the online digital market where you can earn a lot of money by doing some efforts and using skills. These are the 5 steps that you have to follow in order to get some money. I am going to give you the 5 steps. So, on the number 1, sign up. Number 2, complete your profile by adding some information about you and write some skills that makes you unique. Number 3, create a gig, which means you have to post that what kind of work you can do. Make sure your gig is attractable and awesome. Number 4, receive orders. When customer will find your gig, he will be interested, then he will contact you. Number 5, complete and deliver. Number 4, Upwork. Upwork is also an online digital market where you can earn a lot of money but you need some skills. These are the 5 steps. Number 1, sign up. Number 2, select your skill. Number 3, review proposal. Number 4, interview, in which you have to give interview to Upwork. Number 5, get started. Number 3, Rev. Rev is the online transcription website where you can only work if you have skills of getting captions and transcripts from videos. Number 1, you have to be a professional translator. Number 2, Rev will take a test of your skills. Number 3, they will decide whether you work or not. Number 4, they will email you and ask for details. Number 5, get started. Number 2, Shutterstock. Shutterstock is an online application and website where you can sell your images. You have to follow some steps. Number 1, sign up. Number 2, complete your profile. Number 3, upload pictures. Number 4, write something about pictures. Number 5, get some money. Number 1, YouTube. YouTube is an online website and an application where you can earn a lot of money. Trust me, you can earn a lot of money by following these 5 steps. Number 1, you have to sign up. Number 2, create your channel. Number 3, upload videos. Number 4, complete 2 basic requirements in which you have to complete 4,000 watch time and 1,000 subscribers. Number 5, monetize and start earning. Let's go!